Ayan. First time namin dito. Isa-surprise natin yung mga bata. Tignan natin kung ano itsura.
Push.
Push.
Wow! Wow! It's so happy. Like that.
Wow!
My baby bunny's staying in the bed.
Ah, diba? Maganda.
I like cars. No shoes. What? Not again.
O, diba? Ang ganda. Patingin nga nung washroom.
Yes, love it? Love it, Ida?
I love it, but I don't like driving on cars. I
Oo.
love it.
Wow. Nice.
Tinood na niya agad yung orasan eh.
Bakit? Nya? Ah?